All parties Hurriyat conference leaders have paid glowing tributes to the youth recently martyred by the Indian troops in different areas of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops have martyred 10 youth during so-called cordon and search operations in Islamabad, Baramulla, Poonch and Riyasi districts of the occupied territory in the last 2 weeks. All parties Hurriyat Conference, Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chapter and World Forum for Peace and Justice have hailed the Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan for raising the Kashmir dispute during his speech at the UN General Assembly in New York. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said Turkey's consistent support for the resolution of the Kashmir dispute has been a source of great encouragement for the Kashmiris. After conducting terrorism in occupied Kashmir and Pakistan, India has now been caught violating the sovereignty of Canada. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau made a chilling revelation about the Indian government's involvement in the killing of the Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Following the statement, Canada also expelled the India's top diplomat for a role in the murder of the Sikh leader. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chapter, Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, has emphasized the dire need to address the forgotten question of the right to self-determination of the people of the Jammu and Kashmir under the principles of the UN Charter and the relevant Security Council resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has said this in a letter to the UN Security Council Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister of Pakistan on Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik, has said that the Narendra Modi-led Indian government has unleashed a reign of terror and is committing war crimes in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mishal Hussain Malik said this while inaugurating free Dastarkhan and free healthcare facility in Gujarkhan. Amid a diplomatic standoff with India over the killing of the Khalistani leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar, Canada has updated its travel advisory for Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in its fresh advisory, Canada has asked its citizens to avoid travel to occupied Jammu and Kashmir due to unpredictable situation in the territory. It also asked its citizens to avoid travel to Assam and Manipur in India. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar, on behalf of its incarcerated chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq, has paid glowing tributes to Hazrat Sheikh Bahauddin Naqshband Sahib on the occasion of his Urs for his unprecedented spiritual and reformative services in the occupied Kashmir.